In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your cache on your iPhone. Now, there are a few ways to go about doing this, and I'm going to walk you through them. Now, you want to go ahead and open up settings on your iPhone, and you want to scroll down and click in general. Then go ahead and click on your iPhone storage. Now, you can clear the cache and applications from your phone, and you can see towards the right hand side those different megabytes or even gigabytes depending on the size of those apps, and so you can easily clear the cache for apps. And the easiest way how to do that is to go ahead and open up an application. You can offload and just basically reinstall the application once again. This normally clear up the cache on those applications, as you can see. So you'll be able to see documents, data, and all those different things depending on the application, but those size that are taken up within those apps normally get reduced significantly once you offload and reinstall those applications. Now, the next way you can clear cache is through the browsers. So you want to scroll all the way down until you find apps. Click on apps and find the browsers that you have in your phone. That could be Google Chrome, it could be Safari, or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and use Safari as an example and show you. So once you find Safari or Chrome or whatever, click on it, and you want to go ahead and find those browsing history. So you want to scroll down, for example in Safari, and you will see the option that basically says clear history and website data. Once you click on that, you now have the option to clear it. So here you can go ahead and select, for example, all time, and you want to go ahead and toggle on close all tabs. Once you do that, you click the clear history button, and this is going to clear the cache in your browser. And as I said, you can do this for all the different applications that you have, such as browsers, right? And if you want to do that for apps, for example, you go to the general settings and go to storage, and from there you can, let's say, offload apps and reinstall them. And that's it. Another way that you can easily go ahead and, let's say, clear the cache on your phone is to force restart your phone. And that's normally done by volume up, volume down. Then you press and hold the power button until the phone restarts. And that normally go ahead and clear the system cache, the system data files that you can find on the iPhone storage. So if I scroll all the way down, you will find system data. And so once you restart your phone or force restart your phone, this system data normally reduce as well. And that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple, guys.